Welcome to this unboxing video. This is primarily for people who have had a kit handed on to them and they want to make sure that they've got all of the correct resources. If you're looking into ordering, there are separate videos about ordering. The first thing you want to locate is the USB. The USB has two things on there. One is the introductory video PL so that you can upskill people each year for free. The second are the PDFs of all the printable boards, so the A4 and the A3 printable boards. When you print these, can you please make sure that your printer settings are set to 100% or actual, not the default shrink to fit. If it is set on shrink to fit, they'll look right until you go to put the blocks on and then they won't quite fit. Can you please make sure that these files from the USB are uploaded onto your school server for everyone? If you can't locate your USB, don't worry, go to the Bomblocks website and click on the About button, and there's a contact form, and in the contact form there's a button for the USB recovery. So click this, fill in the information, and we will send it to you either digitally or physically. Let's have a look at the materials for a foundation class for whole class teaching. They will need one set of blocks per 4 students. The reason it's per 4 is all of the teacher-led activities are pairs, and one pair of students uses the blocks on one side of the set of steps from 1 to 10, and the other pair uses the other set of steps from 10 to 1. Each pair also needs a write and wipe sleeve, and each pair needs a spinner. If you've got a relatively new Bomblock set, we have packaged the spinners in hinged lid plastic containers, and each container has got 2 just to make that distribution easier in groups of 4. So if you do have the new ones, you give out into groups of 4, 1 set of Bomblocks and 1 hinged lid container and 2 of the write and wipe sleeves. Each foundation room also needs approximately 1,000 cubes. These have been supplied as part of the kit in a metal basket. The cubes need to be 2 centimetres. They can't be unifixed because they're 2 different measurements depending on where they were made. When you're looking at materials for either a pre-foundation room or intervention, you don't need the 6 sets of blocks. You only need 4 sets of blocks. And then 2 of the materials pack, which will have enough spinners for the small group that you're working with. And you also get a reduced amount of 200 cubes for your group. You should also have the book counting to 10 and 20, the implementation of it. If you don't worry, you can download it online. It's under the counting kit and under implementation. And if you just hover on the 3 dots, you will then get a download option. All of the planners, etc., assessment, monitoring tools, they're all in each of those sections. If you just scroll down, you'll be able to download them from there. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Just in quick summary, it's 1 set of blocks per 4 students for whole class teaching. For intervention or pre-foundation, it's just 4 sets of blocks.